Dear students, now let us discuss about the important questions which are asking in your examination under this chapter, straight lines and conic section. So in that you will have 3 marks, 5 marks and of 6 marks. So in 3 marks questions you will have all these questions are very important, and remember these questions will be asked by changing the values. Okay. So the first question is, find the slope of a straight line whose inclination with x-axis is 135 degree. Remember, so slope of a straight line can be found out whose inclination is given 135 degree. So how to solve the slope of a straight line? So remember, we have already said in the video 2. So if theta is an angle of inclination which is moving along the positive direction of x-axis, and that is given under this question paper. So inclination with x-axis is given, which is 135 degree. So theta is equal to how much degree? 135 degree. As we have already said in the concept, so slope can be found out by using the formula slope m is equal to tan theta. Since theta is equal to 135 degree, so which becomes tan 135 degree. As we have already known that tan 135 degree is nothing but tan of 180 minus 45 degree. So which is nothing but minus tan 45 degree and minus 1. Okay. The slope of a straight line whose inclination with x-axis is 135 degree, then its slope can be found out by using the formula m is equal to tan theta, and the slope is minus 1. We can find the slope of a straight line m is equal to what? Minus 1. See, the second question is, find the value of k if these two lines are perpendicular to each other. See, how to find the value of k if the lines which are given perpendicular. So the first line is 14 plus k into x plus 4 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can find their slope by using the formula m1 is equal to minus a by b. So whereas minus, what is a? 14 plus x. Okay, by b means coefficient of y term, which is 4. So the slope of this line is minus of 14 plus k divided by 4. And another equation of a line is given 8x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can find the slope of this line also. What is slope of a line is given by m2 is equal to the same formula minus a by b, where what is a? Minus 8 divided by b is minus 3, which can also be written as 8 by 3. Okay. As we have already said in the concept, if these two lines are perpendicular, then their product of their slope is always minus 1. Okay. If the two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. Since what is m1? Minus of 14 plus a divided by 4 into what is m2? 8 by 3 is equal to what? Minus 1. Since 4 2's up, you will have, and minus gets cancelled each other. Say 2 times of 14 plus a divided by 3 is equal to 1. If you cross multiply this, so you will get 2 into 14 is 28 plus 2k is equal to 3. Then you will have 2k is equal to 3 minus 28. If we have shift to 28 on right side, so you will have 2k is equal to minus 25, and what about k value is minus 25 by 2. Okay. So this is the value of k if the two lines are perpendicular. Okay. See, find the equation of straight line passing through the points 3, 2 and having the slope 5. So this is a very important question. It is repeated so many times in your question papers. Third question ಏನಿದೆ, this is very important for your examination and it will be very askable questions. Okay. So how to find the equation of a straight line if the points and the slopes are given. So as we have said in already in the concept, so points are given 3, 2. We can name these points are x1, y1, and the slope m is equal to what? 5. Okay. Since the points and the slopes are given, then its equation of a straight line can be found out by using the formula. What is equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Since x1, y1 the points are given and the slope is given, we can easily find the equation of this straight line. So how to find means by using this formula. Y minus, what is y1? 2 is equal to slope is 5 into x minus x. So if we solve this equation, you will get the equation of straight line. Y minus 2 is equal to multiply by 5, 5x minus 15. Okay. So since y minus 2, and if we take this 5x minus 15 to left side, you will get minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. And you will have minus 5x and this is plus 5, and minus 2 plus 15 is nothing but plus 13 is equal to 0. And this is what the equation of the straight line. Yes. See, the fourth question is find the equation of straight line cutting off y-intercept 5 and making an angle 135 degree. So how to find the equation of such a straight line is, so what is given is y-intercept ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What is y-intercept is equal to c, and what is y-intercept c is equal to what? 5, and angle of inclination theta is given, which is 135 degree. Since angle of inclination is given means we can easily find their slope. What is slope? M is equal to tan theta, and so which is equal to tan 135 degree. As we have already known that what is tan 135 degrees? Minus 1. Okay, so slope is given and the intercept is given, then we can easily find out the equation of straight line. So how to find the equation of straight line is, so y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of a straight line if slopes are given and y-intercept c are given. Okay, so y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to, what is m? Minus 1 into x, okay, plus what is c? 5. So this is nothing but y is equal to minus x plus 5. If we take the minus x plus 5 to left side, you will get y plus x plus 5 is equal to 0, or we can, here it is already plus y, x plus y, and plus y we can shift to left side, which becomes minus 5. So x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and this will be the equation of straight line if the angle of inclination and y-intercepts are given.